Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper of Friday, December the 29th, 2023. No, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. It's the edition of the yesterday's newspaper. The newspaper of Thursday, December the 28th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle. There were three puzzles left. One puzzle I've solved a minute ago, so two puzzles are left. Jigsaw Sudoku and the Two Stars Sudoku. Yeah, you are interested in the Two Stars puzzle number 7702. Before I start, I always count up print the digits. This one has a lot, 28. Usually the Two Stars puzzle has 26 printed digits, two digits more. And the less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But for Two Stars with 26 printed digits, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. It has 28. So this should be a 0 stars. 0 stars, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 stars or a 2 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Wow, the weather. Can you hear this? The weather. Alright. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. The 8 in the last column, the 8 in the column next on that column. The only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 in the second row, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 in the second column, no 8 there. Only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright, and now how about let me see, can I do something with the 3? No. Yeah, I'm thinking. 1, need a 1 here. Oh, and 1 here. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking. Need 7 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this second column. No 7 in these 2 marks. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 in the row above, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 in the first column should be here. Alright, 7. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6. Okay. Need a 9 here. Yeah. I need a 7 here. Yeah. Need a 7 there. Okay. Need a 9 here. Yeah. Let me think. Yeah. 2. Well. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column between. Only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 in the second row, no 3 there. Only place level 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in the first row. Two of those missing numbers in the first row are the numbers a 9 and a 6. We have a 9 and a 6 in this big square, so no 9 and 6 in these two boxes. 9 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 9 and 6, 9 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be here. So the other two should be a 1 and a 2, okay. 6, a 1 and a 2. Let me mark those. 1 and a 2. Alright. Two missing numbers. No. Wait. I need to wait. Yeah. 3, 3. 3, 3. Okay. Need to wait. 1, 1. Need a 1 here. I need a 9 here. Thinking, need a 6 here. So, yeah, we have a pair. The 9 and the 6 in the first row. The 9 and 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 9 and 6 goes in these 3 boxes. 9 and 6, 9 and 6, 9 and 6. And look, we have a 9 and 6 in this first column. No 9 and 6 in this box. 9 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 4. Alright, so we need a 1 here. In the first column, we need a 1. I see a 1 in this row, so no 1 in this box. The only place left for the 1 in the first column should be here. So the 2 and the 4 are left. 2 and the 4, okay, cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. How about? Need a 1 here. Okay, need a 2. 2 here. 2 there. Yeah. Let me think. Come on. 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So the 1, the 7, and the 5. 1, 7, 1, 7, 5. Okay, cannot do this. I need a 5 here. 4. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 7, 8. Come on. 3, 4. 3. 4 there. I'm thinking. 2. Need a 2 here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the set column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Need a 7 here. Okay. And we have a 1. So the 1, the 2, and the 9 is missing. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there, so the 9 could be there, and the 1 and the 2 are left. Here we have a pair, 1 and a 2. That means 1 digit left in this column for number. 1 and a 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, of course. 5, 5, 5. Overlook this 5. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 it should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. I need a 1 here, okay. And I need a 2, 4, and the 7 here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. 1, 2, and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, and a 4. Need a 4 here. Okay. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next only place level 7 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So we have a 2 in this row. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above the only place level 2 should be here. So I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 in this column. 2 in the column next. So the last column, the only place level 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 now in the third row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Alright. Then 2 and 5, okay, 9 and 6, alright. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 9 goes there. Need a 9 here. Okay. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Alright. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next only 2 place level. The 6 should be here. Or there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6. Oh, wait. I cannot continue with the 6. Let me see. Need a 4 here. How about the 3? 3, 3. In this column, we need a 3. Here can be 3. We have 3 in the first row. No 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Here or there in this column. We see another 3 in the last row. No 3 there. The only place level 3 should be here. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. From that row, only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 9625, 9625, 9625. No. Alright, let me see. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2. 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 5 is missing. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in a row below. So last row, only place level 5. Should be there. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. Alright, 2 numbers left now in the second column, the 9 and the 6. 9 and 6, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, same numbers, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. Not faster than 14 minutes. Don't think it's a 2 stars. Should be a 1 star. Yeah. Faster than 50 minutes, but not faster than 14 minutes. Well, We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, Japanese Suguru. Alright, bye bye for now.